What is the best bakery insurance program? Today we're going to break it down for you right now. Hi, Ryan Hanley here, founder and president of 𝗨𝗏, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. Now, when it comes to bakery insurance and building the right bakery insurance program, there's a few coverages that you need to know about. The first is going to be your business owner's policy. That is a package of coverages known as a BOP, or a business owner's policy. You want to make sure that this is one of the policies that you have, one of the sets of coverages that you have is going to include your general liability, so slips, trips, and falls, third party, bodily injury, property damage. This is the primary coverage that we think about when we think about insurance, is really general liability. It's going to have your property coverage. It's going to have your business interruption coverage. You may be able to, depending on the size of your organization, add ancillary coverages like employment practices liability to cover employee-related lawsuits. You may be able to add some cyber liability coverage, although in today's day and age, I really think a separate standalone cyber policy is going to be the best way to go. If you are under budget constraints, you can add some form of cyber, usually inside a business owner's policy. There's going to be a whole plethora of other coverages as well that are included in a business owner's policy. It is really the bedrock or foundation of your business insurance program for a bakery. Now, when it comes to a bakery, most likely you are not a solo individual. You also have employees. In that case, you're going to need workers' comp. Workers' comp is fairly straightforward for bakeries. Really, you just want to define anyone that's doing delivery. Everyone else is basically going to be classified under the same code unless they are only doing office work. Like if it's someone who never came into the bakery, never was involved in any kind of retail or on the floor of the bakery. If you're just doing manufacturing, is only in an office, they may have a slightly different code too. You just talk through that with your insurance professional. The last coverage that you most likely are going to need in a bakery is some form of commercial auto, whether you're delivering out of a sedan or a truck, or you have something even bigger, a fleet of trucks to deliver your baked goods throughout the community or wherever they're going. You're going to need commercial auto insurance. Commercial auto insurance can be very difficult to find. It's one of the specialties here at 𝗨𝗏, where we have a broad access of markets, and that's really the only way to find competitive rates when it comes to commercial auto, is to have a ton of different markets that you can shop that coverage through. So we can help you do that if you need help with your commercial auto as well. Additional coverages to consider: you may want to think about a commercial umbrella. Because of the dynamic and diverse nature of how bakeries work, both potentially people coming in and out of a retail store, potentially delivering items, you may do farmers markets, things like that. There's a lot of places where you can get in trouble. There's a lot of places where you can potentially have a large scale loss, and in that case you want to have a commercial umbrella. Also think about cyber liability. Cyber liability, anytime you have an email address or a website or any types of customer lists, or anytime you have interactions with customers where your email address could be spoofed, or you have any kind of systems like a point of sale system that could be locked down through a ransomware claim or a database, anything like that, cyber liability is a major point of concern for all businesses. This is no longer just a large business thing. It's really much more of a small business issue these days, since hackers have kind of come downstream and tried to go after smaller businesses that are often easier targets. So in that case, you really want to have a standalone cyber policy, and cyber is often not that expensive for organizations like a bakery who aren't doing like computer programming, that kind of stuff, as much as it is a risk. So that's how I would build out just kind of the bedrock of a bakery insurance program. There are lots of other little nuances you're going to want to talk to your agent, but if this is the type of relationship that you would like to have with your insurance agent, your insurance provider, we would love to work with you here at 𝗨𝗏. Small business insurance is our life, it's our game, it's what we do every day. It's why I founded this company, was to provide a better product for small business owners throughout the United States. The best way to get a hold of us is to call 518-960-6600. We work in all 50 states, so wherever you are, we can work with you. You can also email us at gorogue@𝗨𝗏.com. You can visit us online at 𝗨𝗏.com, or I'm sure there's a button or a link somewhere around this video that'll let you contact us. Whichever way you choose, we look forward to working with you.